Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Time. Today our topic is making new friends. This is very useful because we meet new people in school, at work, in the park, on the bus, or even online. With simple English, you can start talking and make a new friend. Let's practice together.
Yes.
When we meet a new friend, we always start with a greeting. The easiest is, hello.
Hello.
Good. You can also say hi or hey. These are short and friendly. In the morning, you can say good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. In the afternoon, you say good afternoon. In the evening, good evening. And at night, before sleeping, good night. So remember, greetings are easy. Hello, hi, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. After greetings, you can ask someone's name. The most common way is, what is your name?
What is your name?
Perfect. Another way is, what's your name? Short and easy. The answer is simple. My name is Anna. Or, I am Anna. Or, I'm Anna.
My name is Tom.
Wonderful, Tom. Nice to meet you. And you can answer politely, nice to meet you. Or, good to meet you. Or, happy to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Always smile when you say it. After names, we often ask, where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Very good. You can also say, I come from Japan, or I live in Japan. You can also ask, which city are you from? Or which country are you from? The answer can be, I am from Tokyo. I am from Paris. I am from London. Another simple question is, how old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Perfect! You can also say, I am 20, or I am 25 years old. Sometimes we ask about work or study. For example, what do you do?
I am a student.
Excellent! Other answers can be, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a worker. Or simply, I work in an office. Friends often talk about what they like. You can ask, what do you like?
I like music.
Very nice. I like music too. Other answers, I like reading. I like sports. I like movies. I like cooking. You can also ask, do you like football? Do you like chocolate? Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Wonderful. Answers can be, yes, I do, or no, I don't. A very good way to make friends is to talk about hobbies. Let's try. What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
That's great. Other hobbies, my hobby is dancing. My hobby is swimming. My hobby is playing games. You can also say, I like to draw. I like to sing. I like to play football. Same meaning, very simple. Ask back, what about you? This is very friendly. Food is always a good topic. You can ask, what food do you like?
I like pizza.
Pizza is delicious. You can also say, I like rice. I like noodles. I like bread. I like fruit. You can also ask about drinks. What do you like to drink?
I like juice.
Very good. I like juice too. Other answers, I like water. I like milk. I like tea. I like coffee. Feelings are simple and useful. You can ask, how are you?
I am fine.
Perfect. Other answers are, I am good. I am okay. I am happy. I am tired. I am excited. You can also ask, how do you feel? Answer, I feel good. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel strong. Friends spend time together. You can invite a new friend. For example, let's play.
Let's play.
Great! Other sentences, let's talk, let's walk, let's study, let's eat. You can also ask, do you want to play? Do you want to eat? Do you want to study together?
Do you want to eat?
Excellent! The answer can be, yes, sure, or sorry, not now. Small talk is easy English for making friends. You can ask about the weather. How is the weather today?
The weather is good.
Perfect! Other answers are, it is sunny, it is rainy, it is hot, it is cold. You can also ask about school. Do you like school? Or about family. Do you have brothers or sisters? Or about free time. What do you do after school? Let's practice some positive sentences together. Repeat after me. I am friendly.
I am friendly.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I like to meet new people.
I like to meet new people.
I can make new friends.
I can make new friends.
I enjoy talking with friends.
I enjoy talking with friends.
Friends make me happy.
Friends make me happy.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
English helps me make friends.
English helps me make friends.
These are simple, powerful, and full of energy. Let's review. To make new friends, you can say hello. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you like? Talk about hobbies, food, feelings. Invite friends with let's play, let's talk. Practice positive sentences. I am friendly. I can make new friends. Making friends is easy with simple English. Every day, try one sentence. Hello, my name is Tom. I like music. Step by step, you will grow more confident. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. You can make friends anywhere in the world. Goodbye. See you next time.